Okay, so let's look at another data conversion here. This is the Visual Basic function, CDBL. There's also a .NET way, so system dot convert dot, and we have if I spell it right, system dot convert dot, and we've got all these different conversion functions built into .NET. So this would do the same thing. Instead of C double, it's a two double method built into the convert class of .NET. The good thing about doing it the .NET way versus the Visual Basic way, if you ever convert and start programming in one of the other .NET languages, all of the base .NET framework functions are available to all languages. So this would work in C# as well. Same thing with cint. We could do system.convert.toInt. There's also a built-in parse method for the data types in .NET. So we could also, there's a third way to do this. We could use the double data type dot and parse. Okay, and that would also convert the text string property here into a double. And we can do the same for the integer here. Just integer dot parse. So what the data type you're trying to do, and then the parse method. So another .NET way of doing things. So three different ways you can actually convert your data values to the right data type before you do that. There's one problem with all these different conversions. If we try to run this and we put in something other than a number, so if we put in X here, we don't have built into our code yet a way to handle that. We need if statements to do that, which we'll look at later on. So if I try to do that, you're going to notice it's going to blow up and say, hey, I can't convert a letter to a number and fit it in there. So we get a runtime error. Okay, and then I clicked on the stop debugging to break back into design mode. So we'll run this one more time just to demonstrate the program. Let's say the pay rate is 5 for 2 hours. Calculate. Notice the $9 because they took 10% out for withholdings, even though we didn't display it. Okay, so that's just a little bit on declaring data types and conversions that you need to use during the course of your algorithms.